Good evening. In view of the clarion call given by Honorable Prime Minister for Atmanirbhar Bharat and to take India to $5 trillion economy, and also keeping in mind the global pandemic the world is grappling with, the construction sector is going to shift to new normal. The fundamental changes are likely to be catalyzed by changes in market characteristics such as the scarcity of skilled workforce, persistent cost pressure from infrastructure and affordable housing, stricter regulations on worksite, sustainability and safety, and evolving sophistication and needs of customers and owners. Let me give you seven emerging disruptions which will shape future dynamics of our industry, that is construction sector. Number one is rising customer sophistication and total cost of ownership pressure. Climate demands will evolve regarding performance and sustainability. Smart buildings, energy and operational efficiency, flexibility and adaptability of structures will be given higher priorities. Expectations will also rise among customers who want simple digital interactions as well as more adaptable structures. The second emerging disruption uh, which will take place is persistent scarcity of skilled labor and changing logistic equations. Skilled labor shortages have become a major issue in several markets, and therefore industrialized modular construction is going to be in thing. Safety and sustainability regulations and standardization of building codes. The global conversation about climate change puts increasing pressure on the industry to reduce carbon emissions. Requirements for sustainability and worksite safety are increasing, which require new set of health and safety procedures. Also, standardized building codes or providing type certificates and approval for factory built products are going to replace the models in vogue. Next disruption which is already happening is industrialization. Modernization, off-site production, automation and on-site assembly automation will enable industrialization and an off-site product-based approach. The shift will be towards a more controlled environment. The transition to efficient off-site manufacturing with integrated automated production systems, more like automotive manufacturing, is going to be a new normal. There are a host of new materials which are already knocking the door of construction sector, so that is going to be a next disruption. Sustainable building materials, use of local skills, local materials, waste-based building products, innovations in traditional basic materials like cement enabling the reduction of carbon footprints, emerging lighter weight materials such as light gauge steel frames, pre-finished volumetric construction, plug and play kind pots are new trends with a focus on factory production of modules. Internet of Things and digitalization of products and processes will also going to come in our industry. Smart buildings and infrastructure that integrate of Internet of Things will enable more efficient operations. Building information modeling to create a full digital three-dimensional model of a building, which we call digital twin, with time and cost as parameters, is already being incorporated in construction. There are a host of new people knocking the sector. So the next disruption is going to be new entrants. Startups, venture capitalists, and private equity will replace the current business models. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much.